Fashion and style tips. Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is fashion and styling. How to dress a pear-shaped body. Stay with us till end to know about colors and necklines. Pear-shaped body outfit ideas. If you have a pear-shaped body, it means that your lower body is wider than your upper body. Here are some dress tips for pear-shaped body. A-line dresses. Choose A-line dresses that provide a flattering fit on your hips and gradually flare out to create a balanced look. Wrap dresses. Wrap dresses are great for pear-shaped bodies as they cinch in at the waist and flare out at the bottom, highlighting your curves. Empire waist dresses. These dresses have a fitted bodies which ends just below the bust line. Empire waist dresses are great for creating a balanced look and drawing attention to your upper body. Shift dresses. Shift dresses are great for pear-shaped figures as they lightly skim over the hips and thighs, while attention to your upper body. Off-shoulder dresses. These dresses create the illusion of a wider shoulder, balancing out your lower body. Maxi dresses. Maxi dresses are also great for pear-shaped bodies as they create a long, lean line and draw attention away from the hips and thighs. Remember to choose dresses with dark colors from the bottom half of the dress and light or bright colors for the top half to create an illusion of balance. Do wear boat, cowl, ruffle or wide necklines. High-waisted pants and skirts.